What's up YouTube? It's Bullseye 231 and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the blinker bulb in a Toyota 4Runner. Alright, this is a 2003, so this procedure will be the same from 2003 all the way to 2009. However, if you have a different type of vehicle, different year 4Runner, this will be pretty close to what you got to do. First, what we need to do is locate the bulb. So as you can see, these are the bulbs. Now, I'm going to show you the working side. Over here, you're going to see it flash. Alright, so you can look at that and know which one you need to change. So it's actually going to be this outside bulb right here. Okay, so that's the blinker, as well as the locking the doors indicator. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to climb up underneath the vehicle and you're going to look in there and you can see two plugs. Okay, so those are going to be the two lights. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach in there to the far one and I'm going to twist and pull. See how easy that was? Twist and pull, and look, you can see that bad boy is totally black. Alright, look, it actually melted a little bit there. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it out completely with a brand new bulb I got. Put that one here. Alright, so I'm going to put this one in there. The numbers on it. See if I can read it. This is a Sylvan 4157. Can't really see, it's kind of dark. But anyway, you can look it up at your local auto parts store, the books at your local dealer, they'll find it for you. But anyway, what we're gonna do is just plug this bulb directly in. This is not one of those bulbs that you have to be careful not to touch the bulb or anything like that. This is just an old standard blinker bulb. Alright, so we got the new bulb pushed in. Just pushes in. I needed two hands to hold the cable still while I was pushing the new bulb in. Alright, so then what you're going to do is you're going to grab it and you're going to put it back up there from the hole that you got it, which is way down in there. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see this. So it's the second one. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can see that I got it in there now. And then what we're going to do is the same way it came out. We're going to just kind of rotate it so it clicks in, and then you're going to twist back so that it locks. And that's how you change the bulb. So that's the blinker bulb on a Toyota 4Runner. And let's make sure it works for the end grand finale. There it is, working good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit like on this video. See y'all next time.